40% of Americans are on an antidepressant. You know how we define depression in this country? We define it as an inadequate supply of the neurotransmitter serotonin. If your serotonin levels are low, you are by definition depressed. So you wouldn't think the cure would be to raise serotonin levels, would you? Well, that's not what the establishment does. Instead, we put people who are depressed on an SSRI, serotonin reuptake inhibitor. This means we take the little serotonin you have and ration it out. By definition, this approach never truly ends depression because it never actually raises serotonin levels. This is why many patients remain on antidepressants for 18 years or more and still struggle with depression. 90% of the serotonin in your body is made in your gut. There's a factory right there in your gut. You can significantly improve your serotonin levels in 14 minutes. You may no longer feel depressed because your issue wasn't depression itself, but a lack of naturally produced serotonin. As soon as we address that gene mutation, serotonin levels skyrocket and depression takes a backseat. This is where Zero In comes in. By targeting the root cause of low serotonin, Zero In can help reactivate the production of serotonin, elevate its levels, and provide a long-lasting solution to depression. That's real power. You don't just want to feel good. You want to crush life. You want to create greatness.